Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record movies with a Nikon Coolpix L830. And to do this you will need to click on this button right here. This will change to video mode. And then now the recording should already begin. So let's record some stuff like that. And then click on the same button to stop it. If you want to preview your videos, then you can click on preview mode right there, and here navigate to your video and simply play it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.